In this video, I am going to show you how to create and run a Django server. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Django runs on Python, so step 1 is to make sure you have Python installed in your machine. Step 2 involves creating or opening a folder for your project. So, for me, I will come to my desktop and create a new folder for this project. You can do the same. Name it whatever you wish. I'll name mine Django server. Then open this folder in code editor. For me, I will use VS Code. So a shortcut is to right-click, select Open in Terminal, and type code dot, then press Enter. This redirects you to VS Code. The next step is creating a virtual environment. Virtual environments isolate project dependencies so they don't mess with other projects. So open a new terminal and type the following commands. As you can see, the last name here matches the name of your folder. Write Python -m -venv followed by the name you want to name your environment. I'll name mine server. -m-venv tells Python to create a virtual environment. Server is just the folder name, you can call it anything. To activate the environment, if you are using Windows, write the name of your environment, then a slash, then scripts, then a slash, then activate. You will see the next input command starts with the name of your environment, meaning you successfully activated the environment. If on Linux or macOS, use source, space, then name of the environment, in this case server, then slash, then bin, then slash, then activate. Once the environment is activated, we install Django in the active virtual environment. We do this using pip install Django. Be patient and wait for it to complete installation. After creating Django, we then create a Django project. This provides the main Django project structure. We do so by writing django-admin. Start project, then the name of the project. You can call it anything. I'll call mine backend. You can see a new folder has been formed. This is where our project lives. We will navigate to that project folder using the terminal. We do this using cd, meaning change directory, the name of the folder you want to move to, in this case, backend. To start the development server, we write python manage.py, then run server. You will see a URL link. Click it. You can press Ctrl, then click it to open it on the web browser. And congratulations, you created a Django server. This is the default since we have not written any backend logic. To stop this server, you can press Ctrl+C. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video as we dive deeper into Django.